안녕하세요 친구들, 짱입니다. 내 채널 다시 오신 것을 환영합니다. For this month's K-pop nail art, I'll be doing Mi쓰에이's debut song, Bad Girl, Good Girl. Our theme for our monthly K-pop collab is the debut song or music video of one of your favorite K-pop groups. And that's why I chose Mi쓰에이's Bad Girl, Good Girl. Oh, how I miss Mi쓰에이. Do you guys miss them too? Okay, so going back to the nail art, my base color for today is white, except for my thumbnail which I painted it with black. I'm going for this black and white stripes for my nails. So I'll be snapping some black lines to my white nails. Then for my index nail, I'll be adding two diagonal shapes just like this. Then fill it with black. Then for my middle nail, I added two thick black lines on the side. Then here's how my ring nail looks. And this is my pinky. For my thumbnail, I'll be painting the words bad but good with white acrylic paint. Then I painted it with neon pink. Then after letting them all dry, apply top coat. And there you have it. In case you didn't know, I host a monthly K-pop collaboration on Instagram and it's our 7th collab this January 2019. If you would like to participate, just DM me on Instagram. I hope you liked today's nail art tutorial. For K-pop nail art suggestions, leave it on the comment section below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And share this video to your awesome chingus. And that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Annyeong!